Guys, ang swerte namin kasi pinaupo kami agad dito sa Nai Egg Roll Noodle kahit na may pila pa. Tara, let's eat! Nandito tayo sa dinudumog at pinipilahan, charot lang. Pero totoo talaga na madalas may pila talaga dito, guys. Maswerte lang kami kasi may available na table na good for 2 and since dalawa kami, pinapasok na kami agad. Located sa Chinatown in Bangkok, Nai Egg Roll Noodle is famous for their crispy pork which you can have either with rice or with sabaw. Itong roll noodle soup nila or the guai jab has a really flavorful broth. As in, nangingibabaw yung pepper flavors tapos may hints of cilantro and garlic pa yan.
Sarap ng sabaw. Peppery tsaka herby din.
Kung adventurous ka, pwede mo rin lagyan ng mga lamang loob like liver, kidney, or pork tongue. But as a kanin person, I had the deep fried crispy pork with rice. Crispy talaga kung crispy yung balat, parang chichirya na sa crispiness. Malambot yung meat, then manamis-namis ang lechon sauce, parang Mang Tomas realness, ganon.
Yung balat niya salty and crunchy. And then itong parang lechon sauce nila, manamis-namis.
Di naman masyado nakaka-guilty kasi may side dish na veggies naman yan. If you're in Bangkok, dayuhin nyo tong Nai Egg Roll Noodle kasi legit masarap. Tara, let's eat!